Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader, and it's Monday night, April the 18th. These are the charts of the day. Still a lot of good-looking charts on the long side. The market has been struggling, but we've managed to cull out some of the top ones. And today, a stock we've been watching for weeks and noted last week that it broke out of this declining channel and flagged for a few days. Exploded on drug news today, jumping 95% on it, or 8.33% on historical volume of 53.4 million shares. That was huge, folks. And it closed not far off the top of the range. Based on the action early on and then the comeback late in the day, I'm expecting the stock to be in the low 20s in the short term. And I would look for at least a trading target of 19.20, maybe as high as 22.5. Cool. Very, very nicely formed low price stock that's moved up from under $1 to 3.5, 4 range. And it's consolidating in here for the last couple of weeks. Now, this little flag here was broken out end of last week, and it pulled back Friday. Today, it kind of reversed again, moved back up from 327 to 364, 379 actually, and closed at 364. Up a little bit, 4.3%, but more importantly, the technicals look great. It looks like this stock is headed for somewhere around the 5.5, 3/4 range, my short-term target on cool. Elan basically today reached our short-term swing trade target from about the 6.5 to the 8 zone, but I do my secondary target around 8 3/4, 9, I think may be doable. IMGN continues to tease us as it was right up against resistance at 1260 today, reaching 1255 and closing at 53, off just 2 cents. But more importantly, this rising configuration here could explode to the upside at any time. I'm still looking for 15 as a target. Swing trade KEYN broke out, tested, and then jumped. Today backed off with the market, but it sure looks like it's consolidating above key support and may move to that 25 range in a not too short distance. MAKO, wonderful looking chart, flagging for the last a week and a half or so after the big run up at the end of March, beginning of April. Low volume pullback, great technicals, and a beautiful rising channel. Looking for move up, takes it up towards the 28.9 zone short term. MCP, a monster, has been moving steadily higher and has gone from about 41 to 76 just in the last 3.5, 4 weeks. Let's call it 4 weeks. Anyway, pretty darn good looking chart. And if the channel holds true, we could see the stock in the mid to high 80s. MMSI, the new one we've been watching today after this big price volume surge in February, and this pullback flag has been moving steadily higher from under 17 to nearly 23, 22 3/4 high today. Still looks like it has more to go, and I have a target around 24.5, 25 short term. Nice move on MOBI today, again, up from 15 to 17.24 before closing at 17.02, up $1.49, 9.6%. Volume increased again, technical surge. The stock is really in strong surge mode here. It looks to me like it could be 19 to 20 very short term. NEOP Neoprobe had a significant technical day, in my opinion, up 9.5% on 1.9 million shares. Heaviest volume in about 3 weeks, breaking out of this wedge. And going to make a short-term run, perhaps at the February high up around 480. Move through that, and we can see the stock surge towards the 6.5 range, maybe 7 in that zone. That's my short-term trading target. PFSW continues to motor up another 10.7% today on the second strongest volume it's had all year. As you can see, this flag here was a definite bull flag consolidation that was had occurred just underneath key resistance, which was later taken out. The stock has been moving steadily, looking for a move up towards 7, 7.25 short term. PODD, a new one we spotted today, broke out of a flag, or at least looks like it's attempting to, and I'm looking for a move up towards 23 and then 25. Qihoo having a very good time of it after stepping out of this falling wedge. It's exploded from 24 to 32 or so at 8 points in the last 4 sessions, and today took out this little snapback high. May very well test the mid-30s short term. REDF continues to act well. It's consolidating for the last 3 sessions in very tight closes with good volume and great technicals. I'm looking for a move shortly that takes out 990 and runs it up towards the 12-15 range. And Sify, along with the REDF, has been acting well. This one's acting even better. As you can see, the big spike up to the top of the channel, pulled it back to support. It bounced today off of the lows. And at this point, looking for 7 short term and 9 secondary target. SYMX For low price stocks been acting wonderfully. It's gone from about $1.10 up to $3.75 in the last 5 weeks. There is a lot of low price resistance right here, but if we break through and it looks like it wants to, we could see a quick move up towards 495, the next target in SYMX. And last today, YOKU has been trending beautifully ever since it pulled back in February to the 29 range and has now shot up to 65.5 from 29 in the last couple of months. Continues to look good. We are at short-term resistance up here near the top of the channel, but a spike here can move it into the 70s to low 70s range on YOKU. And that's it for tonight. Have a good one.